Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we are talking about a printer. Now hang on, before you ask me why a printer, that's because of the brand. So this printer is from a brand called as Brother. Now Brother is a Japanese brand which makes some really high quality products. They mainly make industrial stuff like sewing machines, which we have been using in our family business for the past 10 to 12 years. We are extremely satisfied with the brand, and that's why I said yes to this collaboration. So yes, this is a review unit, but this video is not sponsored by Brother. It's not sponsored by any means. I'm going to give you my honest opinion about this printer and what's so unique about it. Now this printer belongs to the Toner Box series. There are a bunch of printers in this series, and the main highlighting feature about this series is the cost of the print. So the effective cost of per page is only 33 paise, which is incredible. I'm talking about the official toner cost. So the official toner cost, that is the MRP of the toner, is just 940 rupees, and in that you get 2600 pages. So effectively each page will cost only 33 paise, and that is excellent. Now typically with other brands the official toner is way too expensive, and that's why people resort to cheaper options like just changing the powder of the toner. Now that does work till some extent, but it will affect your printer in the long run. It is going to damage the toner and the printer as well. So it's highly recommended to use official toners, but as I said, for other brands it's just way too expensive. Not with Brother though. They have come up with a cost effective solution, and that gets a big fat thumbs up from my side. Alright, there is one thing that I forgot to mention, and that is how easy it is to change the toner. It will hardly take you 2 to 3 minutes to change the toner, and it is a very easy and intuitive process. So that is again a very good thing. Now this is a multi-function printer. It can print, scan, as well as make copies. So I would say it is ideal for small offices or if you run a business from your home. For such scenarios, this printer is ideal. As far as the printing colors go, this is a monochrome printer and not a color printer. So please keep that in mind. It's just a black and white printer. It also has a bunch of buttons and an LCD display on the top. So you can control everything about the printer via that LCD display itself. The menu is very easy and intuitive. It's not complicated at all. I know a lot of people out there are scared from printers because they are very complicated to set up, but not this one. It was very easy to set up and very easy to change the settings as well. One main thing with printers is automatic duplex printing. That means back-to-back printing. This printer does support that. So if you have a big PDF document and you want to print back-to-back, you can do that automatically with this printer. This feature is absent on a lot of printers out there. Like, trust me, before you buy one, you should check about this feature, that is automatic duplex printing. Now as far as the paper tray goes, it can hold up to 250 pages at one time. Now the model that I have over here does not support Wi-Fi, but there is a Wi-Fi version if you want to use it wirelessly. You can use it with your desktop or an Android phone or an iOS phone as well. So if you want that feature, please go with the Wi-Fi model. Now let's get to the main point. What about the price of the printer itself? The MRP is around 18,000 rupees, but you can buy it on Amazon for something around 14.5 to 15,000 rupees. It's a very affordable and competitively priced printer. As compared to other brands, you're getting cheaper and high quality printing because of the official toner. So that is a very big point over here. Now if you want to buy this printer, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was a very quick overview of this printer. I really like it and you can definitely buy it. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.